Thriller Enchiladas are coming your way. Spooky good, so let's all play. Legend has it that Michael Jackson ate these enchiladas almost every day while recording Thriller. After tasting them, I can definitely see why. So stick around.
We're having a little fun today with this one. It's the Thriller Enchiladas. I just saw the movie Michael. What a great film. You've got to see it if you haven't seen it. His nephew Jafar kills it. Anyways, let's get into these enchiladas that I understand legend has it Michael's loved them and had them almost every day while making Thriller. So what you're going to need is 2 cups of vegetable broth. Put that into your saucepan. Heat on medium. And then we're going to need our spices. And for our spices, we need 2 tablespoons of good quality chili powder, 1 tablespoon of the following: granulated garlic, granulated onion, oregano, half a teaspoon of the following: cumin, black pepper, and get all that. Did I say paprika? Yeah, 1 tablespoon paprika. Get all that into that sauce. Bring it to a boil. Mix it up real good. Then remove from the heat. Now, get a second saucepan out, a larger one. 2.5 tablespoons of butter. Put that in, medium heat, melt it down. Then we're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. That's right, we're making a roux. So we're going to whisk that up. And you know the rule, when you make a roux, you got to cook that flour out for at least a minute or 2. Otherwise, it'll taste like flour. So once we get that cooked up, now the sauce that we made earlier with all that flavor, we're going to start to ladle in a little at a time, right into our bigger saucepan. Then we'll whisk it up, and we'll see right away, it's way thick. So we're going to add some more. A couple ladles at a time, and just keep on whisking until we get to the desired thickness that we want for our enchilada sauce. That's right, we just made super simple enchilada sauce that is delicious. So we'll do it again, and then we'll do the old spoon test. Get a couple ladles in there, whisk it up, then we'll get our big spoon out, and the test is, if it sticks to the back of the spoon, it's the thickness we want. So we'll finish whisking this up. And while I'm doing that, if I could get you there, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment. Appreciate you all very much. Yep, perfect. That's our sauce. So we'll kill the heat on everything, let it cool down. And now it's time to assemble our amazing Thriller Enchiladas, corn tortillas. Right into the sauce. Make sure both sides are coated. I've got a baking dish there, cookie, I guess you call it a cookie dish, with the silicone bottom so nothing sticks. Cheddar cheese on the first one. Spread it around nice. Next, another tortilla. And this one's going to go right on top. There we go. And then we're going to go Monterey Jack on top. And we're going to repeat this process until our stack of tortillas is 5 or 6 high. So the thing that Michael liked about these tortillas, or these enchiladas, was they weren't rolled up. They were layered like a lasagna, which I thought was pretty amazing. I guess the place, I don't even know if it's still open or not, but in the movie they referred it to Golden Temple as the restaurant that he would get these from. And then eventually, I guess, he had his own personal chef learn this recipe and make them just like we're making them today. And I gotta tell you, they are delicious. This enchilada sauce that we made from scratch is dynamite. And having enchiladas this way instead of rolled up is perfect because this fits right on the plate perfectly, and it's one serving. It's brilliant. So it's learned a lot researching this after watching the movie. So once we get all these on our sheet and we get it layered perfectly, I got my oven to 350 degrees, and we're just going to slide this in for about 5 or 6 minutes until that cheese is nicely melted throughout the entire enchilada. And then we're going to pull it out. There we go. And we're going to gently slide that onto a plate. And add some more enchilada sauce on the very top of it. Spread it out. And the way Michael liked it is a little bit of sour cream on top. And then he always wanted one sliced avocado on top. So we're going to put those on there. And we have the Thriller Enchiladas, the ones that Michael Jackson loved and ate while making Thriller. And he go see that movie. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.